And China's exports growth sharply slowed in September, with data released on 14th of October indicating that exports increased only 2.4% year-on-year, the weakest growth since April and below analyst expectations. More details in this report.
China's export growth slowed sharply in September, while imports also unexpectedly decelerated. Monday's data undershot forecasts by big margins. It also suggested manufacturers have slashed prices to move inventory ahead of tariffs from several trade partners. Export momentum had been one bright spot for a Chinese economy that has struggled to gain traction recently. It faces weak domestic demand and a property market debt crisis, which has added to the urgency for stronger stimulus. Customer data showed outbound shipments from China grew 2.4% year-on-year last month. That's the slowest pace since April and missed analyst forecasts by a wide margin. Imports edged up 0.3%, but again missed expectations for a near 1% rise. China also faces increased trade restrictions. The European Commission earlier this month imposed further duties on electric vehicles built in China. It joins the US and Canada in tightening trade measures against the country. A recent factory owners survey also showed manufacturing activity shrank sharply in September. New export orders have fallen to their worst in 7 months. Last week, the head of China's state planner said he was fully confident of achieving the government's full-year growth target of around 5%. Analysts believe it will take a long time to restore consumer and business confidence and get the $19 trillion economy on a more solid footing.